My spouse had 2 affairs. The second affair lasted for almost 4 years. I had 3 awful D-days and still don't know the full truth. My spouse has prioritized the affair partner, including one supported last communication. He said he would show me before sending, but deleted it and lied about it, amongst other things, for the past 11 and a half years. My husband stated on occasions that the affair partner has always been the one, yet now in recovery, he says he loves me. The affair partner keeps showing up in his life and our marriage about every 15 years. I keep believing he left the back door open for her. What are your thoughts? Honestly, I don't know whether he left the back door open. There's a really good chance he tried to shut it. However, I do know that people like this show up every 15 years regardless of whether there's a back door or not. Typically, when there's a situation where that person, whoever they may be, their relationship begins to go downhill, what they'll do is they'll come back to a sure thing and start trying to reconnect with someone like your husband to get that validation they need. So it's not even a matter of a back door being opened. It's really more a matter of them having someone that's really sick. Your mate 15 years ago may not have shut it as well. He may have told them, no, I don't want any more contact. I think you have to be forceful to some extent. He may have tried to be nice because he didn't want to hurt their feelings. That's not leaving a back door open. And even if he had totally shut the door and thrown away the key, this type of person can still show up. As far as his saying now that he's out of that he loves you and isn't interested in the other now that he's in recovery, I would say that's probably also true. I can't tell you how many people I've worked with who think that there's something over here, but when they reconnect over here, they suddenly realize what was really important to them. There's an imprinting that occurs when a couple comes together. There's an imprinting that happens specifically for what feels right to him. And that's going to be with you. With that other person, the forbidden, it's dopamine. It's not about connection. And there's a good chance he's feeling that with you. And he recognizes that it's not what that other thing was, isn't what he wanted. The problem isn't whether or not he shut the door all the way. There's a good chance he didn't leave a back door open. What needs to happen is a really good plan for what happens when she reaches out again, regardless. And that's something that he should have done 11 and a half years ago. But when she does reach out again, it's something that he has opportunity to show you that things are different by making sure that he doesn't respond to her, but he includes you in that response because you're the one he's committed to.